Hello, I know it's been a while, so I see what kind of video I'm gonna do for you guys, but I am gonna do cleaning and organizing therapy. Yeah, let's name the video that title. All right, let's get started. Bear with me, my coffee is calling me. So when I do my Saturday morning cleaning, I like to start out with a good hot pot of boiling water. And this is what I'm going to be using as part of my deep cleaning routine here. So here we go. Now before I start washing dishes, this is what I like to use. This is my cleaning trio here, Dawn. So I'm just going to wait, hold on. Let me open it first now. Come on, get it right now. So I'd like to just pour my Dawn in here first. Okay. And my baking soda. Not too much. And then I'm gonna add about a half a cup of white vinegar. Okay, get that going. And I'm gonna run my water. And once I get my water probably about right here, then I'm gonna add that half of the pot of that hot water you see over there. I'm gonna add half the pot. Okay, I'm just gonna pour half of this pot. And I'm going to save this other half the water. It's going to go in the bucket to clean the floors. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and add the dishes. Oh, this water's hot too. Okay. And the reason why I like to add the vinegar, the baking soda, because it really helps break down the grease. Okay, so the dishes are clean, so now we're going to go on to the bathroom. Okay, I know everybody cleans their toilet different. I got a mask on because I put in about a cap full of bleach and some dishwashing liquid. That's what I use to clean my toilet. I don't use anything super duper fancy, but I think I put just a little bit too much bleach. I can't, inhale bleach for a long time because I will get a little lightheaded, so that's why I got this mask on. The only issue I have with cleaning, it's easy, but it seems like my water pressure is a little low. Then I have this blue spot here, so I don't know if it's probably water rust or something like that, but I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes before I flush it. I hate cleaning bathrooms, but it has to be the cleanest thing in the house, especially if you got company coming over. You want them to be able to experience a clean, immaculate bathroom. That's just me. Oh, and do not mix other cleaners with bleach. Don't do that, please. These mopping cloths, it's the wrong size. Oh, it's the wrong size. So, guess what I'm going to do with them? So much for foot exercising, I guess. Just getting it clean. Sometimes you just got to make it work. Now onto the bathroom floor. This is a small floor, so shouldn't be that bad. Okay, first things first, we're gonna stock my coffee bar here. Okay. There we go. This here is my monthly to-do list. So this is June, and everything's checked off in red has been completed. This is how I like to stay organized. And I created this a couple of years ago. Got a little magnet behind it, and I put it on the refrigerator. And this is just to keep everything organized. This just works for me. Okay, so I just wiped down the refrigerator, and how I got the little shiny appearance, I just use a mixture of water and vinegar, white vinegar. That's all. Yeah, I don't use any soap or anything, otherwise they'll leave film on here. And so when I wipe the refrigerator, I wipe it in this direction. I don't go wipe it up and down. I just wipe it across, as you can see. But I just got finished doing that. Okay, so here's my cabinets before. I'm just going to wipe my cabinets down with a light damp cloth with a little bit of olive oil mixed into it. So here we go. Okay, I got the oil and my damp rag. Okay, so here we go. I don't know if you've seen this, but you know, if you split your case of water down the middle and then you open it, you can access a bottle of water much more easier. I saw this, I didn't make this up. I saw this idea maybe about a couple of years ago, and I said, yep, they're absolutely right. So just take a case of water, cut it down the middle, split it open, and you don't have to worry about struggling trying to get a bottle of water out. That's just a little tip. If you don't know, now you know. Okay, so I am outside. This is my back window, and I'm gonna get this cleaned pretty good. I mean, a good cleaning, because it is horrible. Okay, this is I'm gonna clean my outside window. This is a solution of baking soda, vinegar, dishwashing soap, and essential oil. That's all that's in here. Okay, whew. Windows completed. This is a small window, but it sure seemed like it took more than 20 minutes. But it's done. Research shows that a disorganized home can lead to stress, anxiety, and depression. In other words, a negative impact on your mental health. A dirty or disorganized home can also create cognitive issues. And on that note, thanks so much for tuning in with me, and I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed day.